how to install and set up tracking widgets for your business. First off, we're going to download the application. I'm using Safari for this, but you can use Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox. We're going to go to TrackingWidgets.com and go to the How-To page. And what we're going to download is TrackingWidgets Demo. It may be a different version by the time you do it, but basically it will be the first item on the list. And we go to the downloads, we can see that it's going to take a couple of minutes. So TrackingWidgets is a program that allows you to keep track of time and materials used on jobs. It allows you to keep track of your clients and their contacts, your suppliers, plus allows you to do your invoicing quickly and get it out the door. The quicker you invoice, the quicker you get paid. It also does some receivables management so that you can keep track of when you've made calls or sent emails out to clients, and you can send emails directly out from the TrackingWidgets program. It is developed using FileMaker Pro. It was originally developed in 1997 based on some code that I wrote for a service bureau, graphic service bureau, back in 1995, and focused on a small graphic design firm, how to run one of those on a automated docket system back at that time. Just this past summer it has been upgraded to version 12 of FileMaker and will run as a standalone application or along with FileMaker if you have more than one user who needs to access it, if you want to do it over a network or even over the internet. So we're almost ready for the download. 30 seconds remaining. There will be another video which will show you how to actually do the initial setup. This one we will do the installation first, and then we'll stop and we'll move to a second video. If you do notice problems with speed on the download, you can email us at sales@trackingwidgets.com and let us know that you're running into extensive times. Otherwise, you can expect anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to download. And now we're going to quit out of Safari. We're going to go into the Downloads folder. And it is a disk image file. You can put the application anywhere on your computer. I would suggest either in your Documents folder or your desktop, definitely in a user account. So take the entire folder and drag it to where you want to use it. For our purposes, for the demos, we're going to keep it on the desktop of the computer. So there's 187 megabytes worth of data. There are 31 modules and then some FileMaker programs. The FileMaker runtime, a folder that FileMaker puts on, as well as an acknowledgements document from FileMaker. Once this copies over to the hard drive, we will dismount the TrackingWidgets disk image and we'll take a look in the folder just to see what's there. Close that window. So what we can see here is the numerous documents. For future purpose, we're going to call them modules. So we have several modules. We have the extensions folder, which is from FileMaker. We have the FileMaker acknowledgements, and we have the actual TrackingWidgets program. So please move on to the second video in the series to learn about how to start up the application and do the initial setup. Thank you.